understand how it's shaking out when you're miles away, other side of the couch.
Hello babe, a simple gift for you. Pictures of us looking at each other and running shoes. Just to remind you that after this day, you can only run away with me. I love you so much babe. See you later.
Sometimes it feels like we're just down and done. We go too far when we
Para sa babaeng laging bumubuo ng araw ko, parang toyo sa adobo. Gusto kitang i-congratulate kasi sa wakas, napangasawa mo na ako.
Anyways, I love you. Anyways, I love you. We both have made some mistakes. And it is what it is, 'cause we're stuck in our ways. There's nothing about you I changed, 'cause the things that I love and the things that I hate are mostly just the same. Sometimes it feels like we're just down and done. We go too far when we should bite our tongue. Let's not just lose it all on something dumb.
Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Migs na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
Pangako ko na poprotektahan kita, mamahalin kita hanggang magpakailanman. Ba't ka natatawa? Ayun. Mahal na mahal kita, babe. And I promise that I'll be a good husband. And in time, I promise to be a good father sa magiging anak natin at sa iyo. Yun lang. I love you, babe.
It was dark, streetlights threw shadows through the park.
I love you even though you don't love me.
I was late.
Mamahalin kita kahit tingin ko hindi mo ako minamahal. At walang kondisyon na pagmamahal.
A little bit shorter than I expected. I was sure I'd lose my cool, but somehow I kept it.
Migs, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Joy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes po, Father.
You were mad. I gave you every excuse that I had. As we wondered, oh, how I lusted for longer. Through alleyways, romantic games, the next few
I
days.
promise to be a good wife. Hindi naman, wala namang perfect relationship or wala namang perfect
person, but I promise to be a good wife, a good mother, and also to support you sa lahat ng bagay na kailangan mo, and at the same time sa family na bubuhay natin. I love you.
Okay, Migs, pwede mo na po ibigay at ipakita ang matamis mong halik kay Joy.